Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix screen resolution problem Windows 11, 10 easy steps. First method is update driver. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Change scale 1 by 1, select best one. Change display resolution 1 by 1, select best one. If not working, click advanced display. Change refresh rate if available. Click display adapter properties. Click rollback driver if available. If not working, click update driver. If not working, click uninstall device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.